Hi friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to take you guys with me to the IKEA store, so let's browse together and see what's new for fall 2022. I really like the color palette of this room, the combination of this green color with beige and the white accents. What do you think, guys? I think this is a very pretty color palette. It creates these calm and cozy vibes. These chandeliers look interesting as well. IKEA often has these very attractive artificial flowers. I have to admit that this brown color is not my favorite for the wall color, but it does look very cozy for the fall season. I wanted to take a closer look at these plates with the dandelion print. I find them very cute, but I wish the color was a bit more cheerful, like yellow or a brighter shade of green. Love this gold frame, looks way more expensive than $5.99, and this old-timey looking lamp. Green color has a strong presence in the interior design trends for this season. I like this wallpaper with leaves, and all the green accents on these cups and plates. And here's another shade of brown on the wall that I'm not crazy about. But I do love this wreath. It looks different. And I do own this cactus set that I use as a fireplace decoration. What a cool feather print wallpaper. And I do enjoy this color palette, yellow, black, and white. I have this pink vase and flower pot, and these are my favorite IKEA purchases of all time. This shade of pink is absolutely lovely. Guys, look at these Dior book tote dupes. These are from H&M and just used here for decoration. Brown curtains, not really my style. Interesting looking chandeliers. They look like flowers when you look at them from the bottom. And here's another chandelier that caught my eye. And these are the new floor cushions. I'm guessing they can be used as the chair cushions as well. And here's some more cushions. Love all the pastel colors and geometric designs. I really like this set of black and white Paris themed prints. I like the way they arranged all the different sizes to create one large picture. This coffee table has a glass top so you can create interesting visual effects by storing different objects or magazines inside. More of green, beige, and white mixed with gray. What do you guys think about this flower wallpaper with black background? I would use it as an accent wall like shown here. Definitely not all four walls. Look at these pink watering cans. How cute. Attention seeking is out, but influencing is in. And these are hearts hugging pillows. And here's another set of Paris themed pictures. Love the color scheme here, and this is one of my favorite items I've seen today. And here's a dark navy color wall, I'm not a huge fan of dark colors on the walls for some reason, but I do like the arrangement of pictures here. And here's a nice bouquet of artificial flowers, very nice for fall, great colors. And a picture frame with a very cute print of flowers. And I meant to get it, but I forgot to look for it downstairs in the marketplace. And here's a map of New York City. It's silver on black background. It looks kind of cool. I like it. Fika, the Swedish ritual of spending quality time with friends and family, usually with a coffee or something sweet to eat, to share the good things in life. Sounds like a good time. And now we are in the kitchen section. I like this pattern on these kitchen cabinets. I picked up this teapot and I enjoy using it. And now we are in the lighting section. What do you guys think about this pendant light? It looks pretty interesting and also reminds me of a project I did for my design class in the art school. And I did pick up this table lamp. I like the color, it's light grayish blue. And here's an IKEA advent calendar. It puts me in a festive mood just looking at it. Some interesting looking chairs for $79.99. And now I'm back home and here's the artificial bouquet of flowers that I picked up. I really love it, love the combination of these fall colors including pink, beige, burgundy. What do you guys think? I was never a fan of the artificial flowers before, but IKEA has been doing a really good job with them lately. And this is the name and the price. It's $12.99. Please disregard the longer pieces sticking out from behind. These are the dried flowers that I used in this vase before, and I thought that they went together pretty well, so I left them there. And here's another item I picked up. It's called Borga storage box with mirrored lid made out of plastic and cork. So here's the name and the item number in case you would like to get the same item. I think it's very useful and I would definitely recommend it to you guys. Here's a close-up look from the stock images. And now let's open it and see what's inside. First, there's a cork lid with the mirror. Under it, there's a tray. Then a smaller round tray. And finally, the largest bottom compartment. These are made out of plastic. Let's put everything back together. It all stacks really nicely. It was priced at $24.99 and it can be used both as makeup organizer and storage or to store your jewelry. So I think it's a very useful item and it looks very nice. It would look great on a nightstand or vanity or in your bathroom like those pictures show. So yeah, I think it's a very interesting and cool looking item. So I hope you guys enjoyed this IKEA shopping vlog and the items I picked out. Comment down below what was your favorite piece you saw in this video. Do you like IKEA furniture and other home products? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my videos. I really appreciate it. Shout out to all my subscribers. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you guys in my next videos. Bye bye!